Got a rough idle, poor throttle response, or that annoying check engine light? Today, I'll show you how to clean your MAF sensor the right way. A quick, safe trick mechanics often skip. No fancy tools, no shop fees. Let's get it breathing like new. Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Care Secret. If you love simple DIY fixes that save time and money, smash that like button and subscribe. I've cleaned dozens of MAFs and eyelines, walk you through every step. What to watch for, a secret tip to avoid damage, and how to test it after cleaning. Let's go. What is a MAF sensor and symptoms? The mass airflow sensor measures how much air your engine breathes. The ECU uses that to set fuel delivery. When it gets dirty, readings go wrong, engine runs rich or lean, idle gets rough, fuel economy drops, and the check engine light may come on. Common symptoms: hesitation on acceleration, stalling at idle, poor MPG, or stored fault codes like P0101, safety and prep. Safety first, disconnect the battery for a minute if you want, extra caution optional, but recommended. Wear gloves and eye protection, never use carb cleaner, brake cleaner, or compressed air on the sensing element. They'll permanently damage it. Use MAF sensor cleaner only. MAF sensor cleaner spray, not carb cleaner. Torx, Phillips, 10mm socket depending on clamp. Fastener. Clean microfiber or lint-free cloth. Soft paintbrush optional. Safety glasses and gloves, step-by-step cleaning. Step 1. Locate and remove. Locate your MAF usually between the airbox and throttle body. Remove intake hose clamps and carefully unclip the electrical connector. Important: be gentle with the sensor wiring and tab. They're fragile. Step 2. Remove the MAF sensor. Undo the screws holding the sensor to the airbox or pipe. Pull the sensor straight out. Don't pry or twist hard. Step 3. Inspect. Inspect for heavy contamination, oil, or torn air filters. If oil is present, check for PCV or turbo. Oil issues. Cleaning is a temporary fix if oil is getting into the intake. Step 4. Clean properly. Now the secret. Hold the MAF by the plastic body. Never touch the fine wires or hot wire elements. Use the MAF cleaner in short bursts from about 6 to 8 inches away. Spray across the sensing element. Do not soak the connector or label area. Let the cleaner do the work. You don't need to scrub. Step 5. Let it dry. This matters. Let it air dry completely. The cleaner evaporates fast. 10 to 15 minutes is usually enough, but don't rush it. Don't use compressed air or a cloth on the element. B-roll. Sensor placed on a clean cloth. Timer graphic. Step 6. Reinstall and reconnect. Reinstall the sensor. Tighten screws snugly, not over tight. Reconnect the electrical plug and intake hose. Reconnect the battery if you disconnected it. The secret hack mechanics tip. Here's the secret mechanics often skip. After reinstall, reset the ECU by disconnecting the battery for 2 to 3 minutes or using an OBDE scanner to clear codes. Then start the car and perform a short relearn. Idle for 2 minutes, then gently rev and drive a short loop. That helps the ECU relearn airflow and smooths out drivability faster. If you don't do this, the car might still act weird for a while even though the sensor is clean. Quick post-clean tests. Use an OBDE scanner to check for P0100, P010 for codes and watch live MAF readings grams, sec, or kilogram, HR at idle and while revving. If readings are stable and symptoms are gone, you nailed it. If the code returns immediately or oil appears again, there's a deeper issue. Don't keep cleaning. Investigate PCV, intake leaks, or turbo oil seals. Common mistakes to avoid. Quick list of no-nos. Don't use carb or brake cleaner. Don't touch or scrape the sensor element. Don't rush drying. Don't ignore recurring oil. That's a different problem. Before, after demo. Here as a real before, after from a car I cleaned earlier. Listen to the idle and throttle response. Big difference. Troubleshooting. If cleaning didn't fix it, check for intake leaks. Spray safe carb cleaner around intake boots while engine runs and watch RPM. test the MAF with multimeter, you know how, or swap in a known good unit if available. And always clear codes and test drive. Final words and CTA. That's it, a simple, safe way to clean your MAF and get your engine breathing right again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more car hacks. Want a checklist or printable step sheet? Drop MAF in the comments and I'll pin a link. Got a tricky car issue? Tell me your make and symptoms. I'll help. See you next time.